I must go and die at 27, then at least I know I died a legend. Now, will you roll and ride like we're together, and keep the vibe alive inside forever, and feel me forever? Real feelings from past dealings where people counted me out till I grew up to count millions. Like I guess it's good to be different, huh? I'm a star, so the sky isn't the limit, huh? I'm living like it's my last day. Smoke as if there's not already 27 roaches in the ashtray. Smile as if no one hated it all, as if anyone understood anytime I evolved. Tell me, what do you do when what you dream comes true? Buy a Bentley and look just like you? How I'm supposed to write a song when I'm famous and all the pain is created? I need to overdose on inspiration. 27. Right now I'm a rolling stone. And if I must go and fly away, and kiss my baby girl goodnight. And if this really is goodbye, then let's set the city on fire. Can you take me higher? Can you take me higher? Take me higher. Can you take me higher? If I must go and die at 27, then at least I know I died a legend. Will you roll and ride like we're together, and keep the vibe alive forever? Alive forever. If I must go and die at 27, then at least I know I died a legend. Now, will you roll and ride like we're together, and keep the vibe alive forever? Keep the vibe alive forever. Now let these words seep from my soul and speak through this song. Cause if one day I'm no longer here in the physical, then at least I give you my voice to listen to. What is a beautiful life without a beautiful death? What is a beautiful mind? How is our beauty defined? Is it for you to decide? Is it my duty to die? No matter how I'm remembered, just let me be remembered. Kels. Yeah, forever young though. Always be those crazy kids running wide-eyed down the boulevard. 27.